GMP.
Jolweny mag pi kata Kenya Navy komakore gi kaunti ma Kwale ochiwo thieth manono ne jodak ma kwan gi romo 500 mawuok e gwenge ma Kinango e kaunti ma Kwale. Jodak go noyudo chenro mag thieth mopogore kama oting'o pimo tuo mar kansa gi tuo mar obwongo ka chenro mar golo remo bende notimore e kambino. Gi e kindeno jolweny mag pi go timo ikruok mar dhialo higni 60 nyaka nochakre.
I've come with a group of consultants, obstetricians, physicians, surgeons, orthopedic surgeons, ENT surgeons, and support staff. We want to give these services back to the community we serve. We serve together as a community, and we are delighted to be here. This is a journey we started from the northern side of the coast, Kizingitini, last week, and we are ending it here today in Kinango at the southern side of the coast.
Tumefurahia kama Kwale County Government ya kwamba kwa ule ushirikiano wa national government, yani serikali kuu na serikali gatuzi. Kwa hivyo leo tumefanya hiyo mobilization, na mnavyoona ni kwamba services zimeanza na tunaendelea. Pia hapa hivyo kuna services ya kutoa damu, kuna ile registration ya SHA.
Hili zoezi limetusaidia sana tena sana. Leo nafikiri hakuna kulipa dawa zote tunapawa bure. Leo nimepata tayari, tumeenda pigwa picha bure, jibu matibabu yote leo ni bure. Tunashukuru sana.
Odiochieng' ni mati cha Bi Safar Masambaza Furaha na Safaricom dhi nyime